Hi, welcome to another ecopenny collaborative video. This time I'm with Cafe Racer Lab. So Cafe Racer Lab's done a great video series on restoring a 1966 Mini. So that's an example of, instead of throwing away a vehicle, to restore it to brand new condition. It's much more environmentally sensible and great fun too. So I'll put a link to his channel down in the description so you can see the car being resprayed and restored. But I'm going to go out for a spin and see what it's like. You ever watched the film The Italian Job, the old one with Michael Caine? It's got these minis in it, but it's a classic car that most people are familiar with. Most of them are two doors like this, with a little boot at the back. So this car is a 1966 Mini Cooper S. It's a 1.3 litre engine, but it's a sports model. So the Cooper editions were designed by John Cooper. A bit more souped up than the average Mini. It's a really good little package.
Unlike a modern day car, you leave the clutch up when you start it. Definitely puts a smile on your face.
We've got the ocean up ahead. I thought I'd have a look at the Australian Motorlife Museum. It's pretty awesome here. I nearly missed the penny farthing section. It's a triple.